Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets channel here on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about Lupita Reyes coming to town. As always, if you want more information, in the descriptive box below there are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, if you wish to purchase any of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. Who is Lupita Reyes? A telenovela vixen? A mariachi music singer? Actually, the appropriate question is what, not who. For Lupita Reyes is a euphemism for the holiday season, spanning from the day of the Virgin of Guadalupe, Lupita, or December 12th, through Three Kings Day, Reyes, or January 6th. Lupita Reyes is a culmination of a year and a grand celebration of Jesus' birth and one of the loveliest and most culturally active times to be here in San Miguel de Allende. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button below and you'll get notification about new videos that come out nearly daily here on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.